All right, SWFTCoin, relatively flat over the past several days and really a few weeks. And we'll zoom into that in just a moment. But we're going to start off on the monthly and say what the deal is. And could we expect higher sooner than later? So after a 500% monthly candle, first of all, take that in for all its glory. We had a slight retrace, almost 85%. That's what sometimes is needed, right? A full reset after that kind of a 500% month to come back down again. And note, if you do that, right, it's important to hold structure on the macro. So that's why we're starting off here on the monthly. Range high wicks from the previous highs, range low wicks from the new lows. Big move up, big move down, full reset. And now we're back up above all moving averages on the monthly. We've had 3 consecutive months of tests of the 0.5 fib. Once we start to lift off here, as we seemingly are trying this very month, we will likely make another big move, at least to perhaps the 618. And we'll see that as we zoom in here. So just wanted to point out these big moves, retrace right to the 21 month, big move, retrace right to the 21 month, full reset, and build up again. Building up again, right? That's what it takes. So if you've been worried and gotten caught off guard here and you bought too high, you'll probably get rescued in time. The weekly chart also backs up bullish consolidation. A big move up here, just a minor 73% move. Get you back above all moving averages after playing around with this 50-week. Consolidation sideways at the 21-week EMA, perfect, right? Oscillating red-green Christmas lights, back above all moving averages. Hold that EMA 8, and we should see a bigger move here in the not-so-distant future. We want to be mindful of these wicks because we've had several of these to the 0.5. We'd like to see a close above the 0.5, and that often leads to continuation in a bigger fashion, and you're looking at least a 618. It might not seem that much of a difference, but from current price, we're looking at almost 25% to the 0.5, and you're looking at over 50% to the words are hard 0.618. And then there's nothing in line, right? We have the all-time highs here, right? That's the next major target, obviously. And we know SWFTCoin can take a swift move, right? As bad as that bad dad joke is. So weekly, looking good. Have some patience, right? When you get these kind of moves, you've got to take a deeper breath. But we took a damn deep breath and big and quick. So consolidation before bullish continuation, high probability. Zoomed into 3-day. Same vibes, nothing's really changed. Let's go into the shorter time frame, the daily chart, and now we start to see nice moves here, right? The high, higher high, higher high. Great. The lows, consolidation, right? It's trying to break out here. Where we'll start to gain traction is if we can hold the line right here at the 21 EMA, 14.5. So if we can do that for another couple of days without continuing to fall here, I think we'll see a breakout sooner than later here. Next target, I mean, just look at how well the 0.5 fib is. If we can get above there, right, no wonder we can't do it. Look at all these high wicks. Look at all the interactions in here this entire year of 2025. High wick, low wicks again, broken, flip to resistance, the 0.5 fib. Look at that. High wicks, low wicks, resistance again. Once we break it, we're off to the races. 2 cents and then all-time highs. High probability. Look at this chart, right? Looking healthy. After that 85% drop reset, after that 500% month, have some more patience, and SWFTCoin will continue. All right. I'll see you on the next one. SWFTCoin out.